Hello guys, welcome back to another part of this affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. Now in this part it's going to be more interesting and I'm going to discuss one of the most important tools that you will need as a beginner affiliate marketer. Now if you're someone who is building a landing page, which in this case is an opt-in or squeeze page, which we call, where we collect the information of the subscribers, then definitely you need a lead magnet. What do you mean by lead magnet? A lead magnet is a marketing tool where the business here is we as affiliate marketer offers a free resource or like an ebook, checklist or video in exchange for a potential customer's contact information. Now that is going to be typically their email address to generate leads and grow the email list. Now essentially it's a valuable incentive given away to entice people to provide the details. Now when it comes to email marketing, a lead magnet is a must, guys. Now if you are a complete beginner and you are completely lost and not knowing the right tool or not able to get the right resource, then I'm here to share with you one of the most important tools when it comes to creating a lead magnet. And that software is called attract.io. Now, if you're someone who is a complete beginner and want to learn step by step and how to do guides, then please hit the subscribe button below where I'm going to share with you the step-by-step tutorials of affiliate marketing using solo ads. And you can get valuable information and secret strategies that I'm going to share with you on my channel. So let's get straight to attract.io. Now, this is the homepage of attract.io. Now you can create an account by clicking over here. And once you provide your first name, email address, and your contact information, then can access your account. It's completely free. So once you sign up with your email account, then you will be taken to a page where you can create your first lead magnet. Now, when you click on your create your first lead magnet, so you can see there are different templates available or based on your requirement, right? You can use it to create a resource guide, or you can use it to create a checklist, or you can use it to create a case study, or you can use this template to create how-to guides. So for me, the favorite one is always checklist because users should have their instant gratification. So always use something that is 1 or 2 pages so that they get their valuable information in no time. So I'm just going to click on choose template. Now you can see there are different presets available, and based on the color, you can choose any one of these. Scroll down the page. Here you can change the wordings over here. For example, I'm just going to change your complete. I'm going to change it as your complete checklist for email marketing using solo ads. So something like this. Then you can move on to your next page and you can change the name and your website also if you have a website. And when you come down over here, you can click on the image and you can just click on this image so that you can upload it, and you can also upload from your gallery. So over here you can write something about you if you want, and over here you can see the checklist format over here, which looks very good and neat and tidy. And here you can change this wordings over here. I'm just going to change it as purchase a domain from a hosting platform. So similarly, you can create all these step-by-step checklist. And if you're someone who is a complete beginner, then you might not have the idea. So always use ChatGPT or Google Gemini, guys. You can ask ChatGPT or Google Gemini to give you a 10-point checklist for email marketing using solo ads. And from there, you can refine it. And you also can add pages to this PDF. Can click on add pages to this PDF, and you can also click here to add your next item over here. So if you need to change the color over here, you can click on the settings button over here, and you can change the heading color, the name color, the background color, so whatever you want. And you can change the heading font or the name and company font. So it's all up to you guys. You can explore more on this, and you can change the settings on each page, the font and the background color and all those stuff. And at the bottom, you have the last page where you can enter your URL, whether it might be the URL to your website or your Facebook page or Instagram page or a TikTok page, whatever it might be. So you can click on the save my spot. You can paste your URL of your Facebook or Instagram or YouTube page over here, or even your website. You can change the name of this template and just email marketing checklist. So once done, you can hit on the publish button over here. So you can go to the advanced publish settings. So here you can change the URL. You can change the URL to something like email marketing checklist, and you can use this URL to directly take them to the lead magnet. And you can click on the preview button over here. So here you can see the email marketing checklist of 5 pages, which looks neat and tidy. And that's how simple it is to create a checklist. Track.io is a very beginner friendly and free tool that you can use to create your lead magnet, guys. Unlike in the past where you need to create a lead magnet from scratch, had to spend countless hours on the laptop trying to design a lead page, which takes huge energy and huge time. But now with attract.io, it is completely free and it takes only a few minutes to get your lead magnet. So guys, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and want to learn secret tools and valuable information regarding affiliate marketing, then please hit the subscribe button so that you can get step-by-step guides and how-to tutorials of different softwares and how to build an online business using solo ads. So let's meet in the next part of the training series. Until then, bye.